From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Happy Thursday. I'm student meteorologist Christian Spallone here with a look at your Thursday evening CNET forecast. And it's a very cloudy day, some rain across the area as we head into the evening hours. Looking over the state on our live camera imagery right now, just a ton of clouds, overcast in most of the state, a little bit of sun poking out as you go pretty far towards the east, but still mainly cloudy there, and it really gets a lot wetter as of around 3 o'clock this afternoon as you push towards the west with really just dark skies and a lot of rain coming down. You see some raindrops on the camera down in Pittsburgh there, and all this rain is going to be pushing towards the east as we go throughout the rest of the day. We can see on our current conditions graphic right now over Pennsylvania, pretty warm as you look across eastern Pennsylvania in the 70s down in Philadelphia and stretching up through portions of the Susquehanna Valley. Where we have these warm conditions that have really been around all week long. So it feels like spring out there, but it feels like April with the showers, especially across western Pennsylvania right now. These are moving towards the east and will overspread most of the state by the time you get into the evening hours. We can see where this is coming from on our radar and satellite right now. We see all the clouds out there and then all this rain and a big slug of moisture coming in across western Pennsylvania. This is moving in towards central Pennsylvania as we head into the evening, and you'll be wet as we go throughout the evening hours tonight with heavier precipitation picking up as we get close to the midnight hour and some rumbles of thunder possible, especially as you go west across the state. And zooming out, you can see the source of this is this big low pressure area that's sitting and spinning over portions of the Midwest right now, bringing a lot of severe weather to the south. And that severe weather potential is also existing across Pennsylvania as we head throughout tonight. A marginal risk extending all the way back into eastern PA, and then increasing odds with a slight risk and even enhanced risk to the southwest of the Pittsburgh metro area tonight in the southwestern corner of the state. So high odds of severe weather possible, have a little bit of a squall line moving from west to east, and that'll bring some odds of severe weather even towards central Pennsylvania. So we'll have to watch out for that potential decaying line of storms as we head throughout the rest of the night tonight. And looking over the next 12 hours, we see those warm conditions continuing, really just sitting in the low 60s generally as we head into the overnight, and a couple of those thunderstorms coming through between around 9 and maybe 1 or 2 in the morning. We could see the strongest storms and the heaviest rainfall pass through in State College. So looking at our future weather and timing it out, we see this kind of boundary that moves through as of this evening hour, that big batch of moisture moving off to the north and east, and then we get a heavier pocket of precipitation, really the highest severe weather potential that forms over western Pennsylvania, that moves towards the east and comes through central PA sometime around 12 to 1 a.m. That'll continue moving through and push to the north and west, and generally just lighter scattered precipitation continuing into Friday morning before this moves out of the area, and generally seeing scattered precipitation and lots of clouds and also cooler weather throughout the day on Friday, with this precipitation also likely to linger into Friday night. And so there's also a chance for flooding with this system, a slight risk issued by the Weather Prediction Center here for excessive rainfall, and there's actually flood watches issued for western Pennsylvania and extreme southeastern Pennsylvania over the rest of tonight as the system comes through. Going over the next couple of days now is the European model. We see the system push off towards the north and east, and we see another batch of rainfall come through Sunday, a pretty good day on Saturday before this comes in. And then as we head into the beginning of next week, Monday looks pretty nice before we then see another system potentially move in for Tuesday. So kind of back and forth as we go over the next couple of days and into next week. So for tonight in State College, around 52 degrees for a low, showers and thunderstorms, and also very gusty tonight. Could be some severe storms late tomorrow. The wind continues, scattered showers, high of 55, so much cooler tomorrow. So getting back to seasonable, at least for a little bit, behind this system. And as we go into our 7-day forecast now, you see we're not going to stick around seasonable for long. We dry out Saturday, some more rain Sunday, and we shoot into the 70s next week. Monday looks mainly dry before we see another system move into the area by Tuesday with some rain showers possible. Those could continue into Wednesday before maybe things dry out again by the end of next week. But look at that, 75 degrees. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Christian Spallone. Have a great night.